Namaste. Today I am preparing pepper lemon chicken fry. So I have taken here half kilo of chicken. First I am adding salt. Salt as per taste you have to use. Now I am adding 1.5 spoon curd. Crushed pepper. Pepper you can use 1 spoon or more than 1 spoon also you can use. Then I'm using ginger, garlic and chili paste, 1.5 spoon. And I'm adding lemon. This lemon juice. I'm using 1 lemon. And I'm also using 1 spoon red chili powder. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. And in masala I'm using homemade masala, little bit, half spoon. This one is homemade masala. I'm giving the link in description box. This is optional. This one also, if you don't want, you can skip this. Otherwise you can add it. So now I'm mixing everything. And now let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I'm going to fry this chicken. So friends, after 15 minutes now I am frying this chicken. So now as you can see, I heat the oil. So medium to high flame on that, you have to cook this chicken now. You have to cook this chicken for 10-12 minutes like that. You have to fry this, or just check whether chicken is cooked or not. Till the time you have to fry the chicken. So now friends, you can see the chicken is cooked. So now it became tender. So now I will off the gas. So friends, you can see my pepper lemon chicken fry is ready. So I hope you will like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video.